Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for us 5 big thumbs up. I'm on the way to Emancipation Park right now. I'm talking to a couple friends, a friend of mine, me and my dad know, like hot. Today is September 25th. And it's been fall time. 22nd. But he's saying it's like 95. Really? Fall time? Really? And hopefully by my birthday, hopefully it'll be cooled down. Because I hate heat. I hate it. Because you can't really do nothing in the heat, really. So, you can't really do nothing. You could, but you can't because you don't want to pass out, So, I just really hate it. Really hate the heat. Hopefully I don't have no problems at emancipation because, But, it's like kind of windy, but it's kind of hot. This building right here is a doctor's office. I didn't know that until somebody told me. Cool. Yeah. Like hot right now. Out here, I don't like it, but okay, whatever, I hope you guys like this. God bless. Have a good day.